Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Wi-Fi error no internet secure on Windows 11. So I can fix this type of error. Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type and cpa.cpl and open it. Select a wireless network, right click, go to your properties. After that, first of all uncheck the client for Microsoft network, and after doing this that uncheck the internet protocol version 6, and also uncheck the Microsoft network adapter multiplex portal. So okay it and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, and after doing this that go to your network and internet, and go to your advanced settings, click on network reset and click on a reset now. When you click on a reset now, your computer will be restart, and after restarting it your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that right click on a start menu, go to your device manager. After that go to your network adapter and select a wireless USB driver, right click, go to your update driver and click on search automated driver from Windows Update. So click on it. If any download available, then download and install in your PC. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all type a command is ipconfig space /release and press enter. After that type a command is ipconfig space /renew and press enter. After that type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. After that type a command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. After that type a command is ipconfig space /dns and press enter. After that type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.